All right. Hello. Welcome to Monday, May 17th. It's the day before the AP exam. Just a couple things for the lesson today. Um, the main two things are going to be to watch a video on commonly missed multiple choice from last Thursday's class. And then we're going to work on one more free response question called Climb Info, like we've been doing. Same directions as always. You'll see them in this little assignment piece here to help you out. But what I really wanted to cover in this video was just AP exam reminders and instructions. You can click on it and read most of it yourself. But one thing I really want to highlight is number one, you have to load the exam on your Chromebook, and they want you to do this ahead of time. So they want you to do this today so that tomorrow will run a little bit smoother. All right, so you'll be taking your exam on your Chromebook, and you're going to need to download it. So if you click on this link, it'll have like step-by-step directions with images and everything, right? So you have these kind of nice images there that can help you, but you want it to look like this when you're done, saying you're ready to test. So make sure that you get that done today here, and if you need help with it at all, let me know. You'll need your login for your AP site in order to do that. And then just a reminder, tomorrow the test starts at 2:30, I think is when you start logging in, and you'll be done till approximately 6 p.m. And make sure you have a charged Chromebook. Like if you're working at home and stuff, make sure, I'm assuming this is distant learners listening to this, so if you're at home, make sure you have a charged Chromebook and ready to go. I'd also have out some pencil and scratch paper for doing your work, especially on the multiple choice questions, or maybe on a free response, you're going to sketch out your plan or whatever. And then just a reminder too, you'll have access to that quick reference. Don't forget about that. So you can pretty much read through these updates on your own. I guess I'm not going to talk through all of them, but make sure you complete this step and have a Chromebook charged and ready to go with pencils and paper tomorrow. All right, that is it. I wish you good luck. I will also have some activities tomorrow for the in-person students. We are in class because the test isn't until 2:30, so we'll have one day of class still. So if you're a DL student, I don't have it here right now, but you can look over these kind of final reminders prior to taking the test at 2:30 tomorrow. So that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching, and yeah, have a good day.